Many things have changed in the automotive industry during the past several years. The car buying experience once began at your local dealership. Now, for most people, that journey really begins online. Today, we're here to show you the different types of experiences you can choose from when purchasing a vehicle from JM Lexus. When people search Lexus dealerships in South Florida, they have several options to choose from. The number one reason customers select JM Lexus over our competitors is our online reviews. We are the only Lexus dealer in the area with a 4.8 Google rating with more than 9,000 reviews and an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. Our commitment to exceptional customer service sets us apart, and it's something we pride ourselves on. Once on the JM Lexus website, guests can search the new, used, and L-certified pre-owned inventory at our dealership to find the exact vehicle that meets their needs and budget. If they have any questions, guests can connect with a client care representative virtually through our live chat feature, input their information so that one of our sales managers may reach out to them directly, and schedule an appointment to meet with our sales manager in person to see the vehicles firsthand. While some people have embraced the digital retail process, many of our customers still enjoy visiting the dealership to check out our current inventory and get behind the wheel for a test drive. Our goal is to meet our customers where they are in the car buying journey, whether that means connecting with them online or welcoming them into our beautiful showroom. Either way, at JM Lexus, buying a car has never been easier. Regardless of how you're shopping, at JM Lexus, we offer negotiation-free, market value prices, along with a dedicated consultant who can assist you from start to finish. This transparent pricing approach extends from new and used vehicles to service packages and accessories. What this means is that the price you see online or on the sticker is the price you will pay. No surprises or hidden fees. Just a simplified and more straightforward experience that reflects the top-tier service our luxury brand provides. After a vehicle has been selected, online customers have two different delivery options. For those who know what they want and prefer not to visit the store, most of the purchase or lease process can be completed virtually or over the phone. The final step would be to have one of our sales managers deliver the vehicle and final paperwork right to the customer's home. Customers who prefer to visit our dealership can complete the purchase or lease process quickly once they've selected their vehicle. As the industry and car buying process continue to shift, at JM Lexus we remain committed to evolving and providing the best possible experience for our guests. Our focus on customer service and fair and transparent pricing has led us to be one of the top Lexus dealerships in the nation. So however you want to shop, we are here to serve you, because at Lexus we put people first. And that's how we roll at JM Lexus.